Hey welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Try.
Yes.
As you can see, we have a special guest, but before we tell you what we want, remember to subscribe to our channel.
Hit the subscription button, of course.
Yes, and the notification bell so you guys are notified every time we post a video. Also remember to like this video and leave your comments. Anything else no one will try, just leave it in the comment section. And remember to follow our page on Facebook also.
And Instagram.
And Instagram.
Right. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well.
Yes. Alright, so tell them what we're doing today.
Alright, so today we'll have here, as I definitely say, a special guest.
Yes, drum roll.
And we'll have several beverages here that he'll be blindfolded, and he'll tell us if he knows his beverages, because he's the brand ambassador, I would say, for these beverages. So introduce yourself.
So, my name is Georgia Thomas. I'm the category manager for beverages at Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited. And these are all my babies, very near and dear to my heart. So I just want to start by saying, guys, if I get any of you wrong, it's not intentional. Remember how the glands on your tongue work and all of that. So I just want to say sorry in advance, but I think I'm ready. I'm ready. So
that long name that he said is CPJ for short? CPJ. Alright, so tell us a little bit more about some of the products that you are more, I mean, you should know all of them, but I mean, what do you think is your favorite out of the line that we have here?
Wow, what a setup. Favorite. You know what? Every product kind of serves a different purpose. It has a different demographic, so to speak. So it's kind of difficult to say what my favorite is. There's a lot of products that falls under the beverages portfolio that didn't quite make it here today. So those all as well serve a different purpose. So we have sparkling ice, which is pretty new to the Jamaican market. It's our 0-calorie sparkling water. That's how the calories is low, that it's classified as a water. But it doesn't taste like that. So people have really gravitated towards it because Jamaica is on this move to health and fitness. So it definitely is doing very well. Glinter is also one of our new babies. Not 0-calorie, not 0 sugar, but you see the look, very attractive.
Yeah, it is.
And then when you taste it, there's just no going back. So the taste is really what makes Glinter what it is. And then there's also a move to aloe. So we have Dellos, which is our aloe based line. We have apple here and we have the aloe flavor. What makes this fun and interesting is it has fruit pieces. So you'll be drinking and pulps, and then there'll be like a chunk of coconut that comes out, and you're like, wow. Especially if you weren't reading the label. So it really excites and surprises kids in particular. Because they're like, mommy, I think and then it becomes an experience.
And it's healthy as well. Aloe veras are healthy.
And it is healthy as well. We have here Perrier, which is flavored water, and then the Perrier juice beverage. So they're two separate things. So the good thing is that this only has 15 calories per can. So it's still very good for you. And then so the taste profile is very different. So this is more palatable, being a juice based beverage. And then this is a flavored water. So the taste profiles are very different, but you can get away guilt-free by drinking both products. And then we have a line of Sanpellegrino. I have the Aranciata here with us today, and that's really orange. So we have orange, blood orange, limonata, which is really lemonade, but it's coming all the way from Italy. So we had to have the high Sanpel fans. We had to kind of have that's how it's labeled. So that is what we have here today. And I think what's the pass mark?
Let's see how much you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So
9.
If we can guess.
So these are the same flavor.
Right.
Yeah.
These are the same. So
all right. Let's
ready?
Not been
Alright, so
blindfolded
basically
in a while.
how we're gonna do it is we're gonna blindfold him, and then I guess I will maybe I will pick which one, and Sean can pick, and we just
split it up.
Go like that, and he will have to try, and we're gonna tell you if we're gonna tell him if he's right or wrong at the end, and then we will get a chance to try and give our take on the beverages also.
Alright, so you can put this on. Alright, so where we're going to start? You want to start off? So we'll have the cup here.
Yeah.
So alright, let me start off with this one.
Yeah, so show them because he won't be able to see.
Even though it's a can, but I'm still not be able to tell.
He's listening.
Alright, can go ahead.
That's like.
Okay, so he's finding out the scent profile there. And you have to tell us not just brand but like flavor if you can. if you tell us flavor, you get an extra point.
I should have been checking the flavor.
Alright, brand.
Alright, so this is Glinter.
Oh.
Alright.
This is Glinter.
What's up, me?
This is the green apple.
Okay.
Oh, it's there.
That's right. So 1 point. Ding, ding, ding.
Alright.
Off the mark.
Alright, so just kind of rinse this out. Alright, just throw that.
Yes.
Alright.
Let's just don't get the flavors contaminated.
Alright. You want to choose the next one?
Alright. This is the next one.
On the top.
Alright. Scent profile again.
Alright, so that is not sparkling nice.
Process of elimination.
So we go for another sip. So
Yeah.
one day, I'm not sure about that one day, you know.
What the on the table like? So this is brand Perrier.
Okay.
Go
Go on again. Take another sip.
So this is.
Should we tell him if he got the brand right or not?
He's on the right track. You're on the right track.
Alright. Wait,
This
say your
is Perrier. This is the flavored water. This is not the juice.
Okay.
And the flavor is.
Would you like a little bit more?
Pink grape.
Alright, wow. Woo! Woo! Alright.
I like to thank God. I like that my mother.
Oh,
that one there.
Alright. Let's go somewhere different. I think it's another can. So Devin's going to wash out the glass again.
Yeah.
You know what I feel like when I try to trick the youths.
Nah, man.
Hey, nah.
Let's pour.
There you go. Alright, another sip. Thinking.
Sparkling nice coconut pineapple.
Alright, wow. Good job.
Just like that. Just
Yeah.
like that.
Good job.
You're in the presence of
Good job.
greatness.
So that's what, 3 out of 3?
Woo!
I think we're having a special guest. She's ready to join you now. Your daughter is ready to join.
Oh, she is here.
For moral support, you know? This is his good luck charm here.
Let's see. She brings some luck.
Yep. Alright, hand. Alright.
Smell it, man.
That was a big gulp.
That is the Sanpellegrino Aranciata.
Alright.
Or orange.
Yeah. Right. You know, for the locals.
Alright. Yeah, let's try another one.
Let's see. Alright.
Alright, there you go.
I'm gonna pass it.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. This if you get this one, you get a pass.
Yeah. Alright. Need some more sips. Some more sips. Alright, your good luck charm is helping you there, like, you know?
Yes, rub it.
Yeah, telepathically, you know, she's trying to...
Calm down, daddy. Calm. This is definitely Dellos.
Okay.
So like it up on the right track.
It was in the aloe, so it must be the apple. Dellos apple, final answer.
Alright, that's for the win. For the win.
Alright. Well, it seems like you know your stuff, man. You know your stuff.
100%. I get to keep my job.
You like this one?
Good luck,
She likes this one.
That's it. I'm done. Perfect.
You're going to try one more?
Alright.
One more?
Let's try a bonus.
Alright.
One more. One more and you really win the $1 million. How about that? That's fine?
Alright.
Oh, she's wiping me sweat. That's cute.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, the lights and everything, it's kinda hot, yeah.
This is for the $1 million. What is your answer? Taking another sip.
You have a straw? Alright, so you drink out everything and I say you must guess
You
the
must
one.
know which one this is. For the
This is
$1
for the
million.
win.
This would be the sparkling ice.
Sparkling ice.
No, hold on.
That will be school's challenge quiz.
Glinter lychee.
For the $1 million.
Alright, so
That was the Glinter lychee?
yeah, it was. You did good. You did good.
That was not as easy as I thought it would have been.
Alright, so yeah, him know him thing. Him know him thing.
So if you know his bosses are watching here, you know, just give him just bump up that raise.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't
Bump
sell
it
it.
up.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
you
can't
can
sell
sell
it.
it.
Yes.
Him know him, do you understand?
Exactly.
So we want to give him a round of applause. You know, big up yourself. You really know your stuff.
Yeah,
You know your beverages.
I couldn't pass that, so I don't know how, but I would have failed after the second one. She know that too. I would have failed.
If you watch our showdown,
Yeah,
you guys
I would have failed. Alright, so which one would you want to try? Because we have never tried any of these products before.
Right.
This would be our first time. You try one. Which one you want to start off with?
I think Glinter looks so interesting. I don't know if it's the packaging or the branding or what, but like this to me is like super interesting.
It is.
If I saw this in the supermarket, I'd be like, whoa, what's that? Like,
Because normally the cans, you
can't
don't
see
see the
what's
liquid inside.
Right.
So to have it looking like that, I mean, yeah.
Let's try. Yeah, it does smell like apple. This is nice. It reminds me of something in my chat. It reminds me of something like very nostalgic. Like I don't know. Like I can see why you like it. I can see
Wait.
Do you see what I'm saying? Like it. tastes like something really nostalgic.
I want to say, no, this J drink, what's it called again?
It's nice.
It's nice.
I really like it. It's not like super like
sweet.
It's not super sweet, but it's not super acidic either.
As well. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. You don't get that strong acidy fuzziness from the drink.
Yeah. So all of these are pretty much on the healthier side,
right,
as he was saying. So yeah, definitely. But it definitely still tastes good. It don't taste like a health drink, like this don't taste good.
Right.
But it still tastes good.
Right.
And
so if you want a little fuzziness with your meal, I think this is really nice. It's really nice. Let me go with the sparkling ice.
What flavor is that?
This is coconut pineapple. I think this would be nice at parties.
Yeah. Without the pina colada calories.
It's nice. Refreshing.
Because it's 0 calories, but it tastes like the flavor is really popping. Like it's really very flavorful, even though it's another health drink that
it's not sweet, but it's nice. It's refreshing.
This is the juice drink. Yeah, strawberry and kiwi.
I think this one can lose a little bit more sweetness.
It's a healthy drink though. It's not supposed to be like super sweet.
Yeah, I know, but it's refreshing. It's nice. It have a little fizz in it as well.
Yeah, it does have fizz. Yeah, for sure.
But the beauty about that product in particular is, I mean, it's only 15 calories, so
right,
you kind of have to give to get.
Right.
It's a lot of the products that I have are almost an acquired taste because they're somewhat new to Jamaica, because what works for us is sweet works.
Right.
Yeah.
But then we're realizing that palates are transitioning and palates are, changing for the most part.
Right.
So we're trying to change before so that, our consumers have an option.
Right.
So that's what some of the new wave of products that we have are doing. So I can tell you, a lot of people felt that way at first as well. By the third can, it is good. So it moved from, I'm used to a little bit of more sweet to, this is good. I could start my fridge with this.
Right. It will take some getting used to, but...
I think it tastes fine. I'm acquired the taste already.
Let's go with this one. Let's see where it goes.
What's the name of that one? Sanpellegrino.
Sanpellegrino.
Daddy. Alright, Spanish mango.
Paul and him have the same thing when they sing with Maddie.
Ooh! I feel like this is the acquired taste one though. Tastes a little sour. Is it sour? I think it has a
little tanginess to it.
Yeah, tangy. Maybe that's it. Tanginess.
Yeah.
But it's not bad though.
Yeah.
It's still refreshing.
It is. So oranges from Italy have a almost burnt flavor profile. Okay. So if you are a fan of blood orange, for example, it has the same kind of flavor profile. So that's kind of what you're tasting. Again, it is an acquired taste. It isn't an orange juice that you'd pick up from the fridge. The profile of the oranges from Italy is different, which comes out in the taste.
Okay, I can see that. All right, so let's try this one.
That's Dellos.
That's Dellos.
That's the aloe.
This is the aloe flavor. This is nice. And you can taste the pulp in it as well. And it's a healthy drink.
It came as a shocker. Even though I already knew, like you already told us before.
Right.
Yes.
It was just like, I like it though. I like the surprise.
Yeah, it's nice.
So this has aloe pieces, I believe.
Yeah.
And this has coconut pieces.
Oh.
So they all have different variation of juice and fruit piece mix. You know, based on what works best for the particular type of juice. So
That's nice.
very, very nice line that we have.
I like this one. So, question.
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite? Out of the ones that we tried, which one is your favorite?
I like the glitter and the sparkling
Glinter?
ice. Sorry, the glitter and the sparkling ice.
And for me, I would definitely say the Dellos. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the fruit pieces inside. Like it just adds like something different, like something that you're not really used to. Because we used to like, you know, smooth drinks, nothing inside of it. So I think it adds something to it with the pieces. So I definitely say the Dellos is my favorite. What about you? You can't really say if you have a favorite, you know.
I like
You like all of them.
I like all of them, you know. And the rest not here. I just like everything.
You like everything.
Nobody can get jealous.
So, guys, thank you for watching another episode of YaadMentz. We thank our special guest today, and his daughter is here.
Yeah.
You know, for coming through and just sharing with us a line that CPJ has. We have seen this in the supermarket and this and the Perrier, but we have never tried them. But you guys, after tasting them, trust me, they're a must. They're a must have in your fridge for visitors, for guests or somebody. But yeah, they're new. I think you guys should have these at parties a lot though. That one
Yeah,
look
that's what
like
I was about to say. Like,
a nice
I feel
party
like
mix.
you can have these at any occasion.
Right.
Well, come to Bay Brunch this December, and you'll definitely see our sparkling ice cocktails on show.
Yeah, for sure.
And we definitely have a cocktail strategy rolling out. So come to your favorite bar, your favorite pub, and you'll definitely see sparkling ice as a featured chaser in a lot of these new bars and pubs. So I mean, just look out, just go out, ask for it, and it probably will be there.
Yeah.
They are available in the supermarket. So if you go in the beverage aisle, you should see them.
Yeah, and they're available at you guys the store, right? At CPJ.
They are available at the CPJ Market Store in Kingston,
In Kingston,
71 Lady Musgrave Road, and in Montego Bay, 1 Guinea Way.
Okay, excellent. And you guys, please remember to follow CPJ on Instagram. You guys have a Facebook?
CPJ_Limited.
Yeah.
Caribbean Producers on Facebook.
Yes.
Follow Sparkling Ice JA on Instagram.
Follow everybody.
Just follow everything. Just look for the brand name and just follow them up.
And try them. Trust me, we definitely give them a YaadMentz thumbs up. Well, double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.
Again, yeah. So again, guys, thank you for watching.
Yes, and we'll see you in our next episode, guys. Bye.
Alright, bye guys.